Oil works as a lubricant, protecting the parts of an engine and allowing them to move freely, maintaining the car's performance. The oil in the engine will not be visible. First, open the hood. To check the oil level, you must use the dipstick on the side of an engine, which will be in orange or in yellow color. Remove the dipstick, wipe with the tissue paper or a cloth, then insert it back and leave it for 3 to 5 seconds. Again, take out the stick and inspect the oil level. At the bottom of the stick, it will have 2 holes. The top hole represents the oil at the maximum level and the bottom hole represents the minimum level. And the oil need to be filled in this situation, or take the vehicle to the service station. After checking the oil, put the stick back into the place and close the hood. Also, if the oil pressure is low in the engine, that time the low oil pressure lamp will glow on the instrument cluster when the engine is running. Even in some latest cars, this lamp will blink. The oil quality is poor. Also, check the owner's manual for further details. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.